Hello, good morning. In this short video, I want to explain to you how you will be able to um, create a staff. Now, after creating the staff, you assign a privilege to the staff and determine exactly what the privilege is for. So, I'm going to be using a staff named John as an example in this short video. So to create a staff, all I need to do is to go to Staff Manager and click on Register New Staff. Then on Register New Staff, I put the name as John. The password, I want to make it PWD. Now it could be anything. Now the first name is John and the last name is Paul. So this is the name of the staff. So let's just leave it there. You can fill up all the other all the other fields, but the required fields are just the one I fill just for the purpose of this training. So after doing that, I'll click on Save. Now I've created this staff. But at this point, this staff cannot log into the portal because I just created a staff, but there is no privilege defined for the staff on the system. So what I need to do now is to define the privilege for this staff. So the next thing I need to do is to go to manage privilege. Now under manage privilege, I'll select John. This is the person I want to define privilege for. And when I select John, I want this John to be a subject teacher and also want him to be a class teacher. Now I'll click on subject teacher. I also click on class teacher. So I've made John a subject teacher and a class teacher. But at this point, John does not have any subject assigned to him or any class assigned to him. So since we have made him a subject and a class teacher, I'll now go to subject teacher menu and I'll select, I want this John to handle JS1 bronze, for example. Then I want the person I need is John, so I select John, and I want him to handle as a subject teacher for that JS1 basic science. I click assign. So at this point, I've assigned JS1 bronze to John, JS1 bronze basic science. So if I come back to this place, I'm going to see John is the one handling basic science, JS1 bros. I can also assign other subjects to this John. So this is basically how to assign a subject to a particular teacher. Now, I also want to assign him to be the one that is handling that is a class teacher for JS2 bronze. So what I need to do is I'll go to class teacher menu and I'll select JS2 bronze and say I want John to be the class teacher. So with this I've assigned JS2 bronze to John. So in this short video, I just showed you how to create a staff. Now, when I created a staff, remember that I entered the username as John and I entered the password as PWD. So that John and PWD is what is going to use to log in into the portal. The username is the staff ID is John, the password is PWD. Then I went ahead to assign subject teacher and also assign him as also a class teacher after making him subject and class teacher under the privilege. So I've now moved to the subject teacher menu and I gave him the class and the subject he's going to handle, and also come to the class teacher menu and give him the class and the subject he's supposed to handle. Please watch this thing. If you have any challenge, please get back to me. I'm going to walk you through it. Thank you.